G'day folks, welcome back to the channel, the OzTent Screen House. It's a new addition to my my camping equipment. I needed two things. I needed a place for the missus to get out of the bugs, but more than that, I needed a place to reserve a spot. Quite often when you go to a campground, you find a good spot. The rig that I've got, as you know, the Tommy camper on the back of the D-Max, it basically goes. And when you pack up, go for a drive and come back, quite often your spot's gone. What this does, it just sets up a little place so that it reserves your spot. So two reasons I got it. Now I've only used this once. Set it up once, so it really is a brand new addition to the camping equipment. This here is just a couple of poles that go on the edge. Now, one of the reasons I went with this screen house is apparently it's very easy to set up. On my first go, it took me quite a while. Hopefully not so long this time. A couple of little straps just to hold it together. Now, what I'm doing, it looks inside out. You sort of bring it up and let it flop and then find a side like that. Once you find a side, I can see the skirt is down the bottom here. So I stand on the skirt, reach into the middle here and just pull it out. So that's the first of my sides and work my way around. Going to the next side. Oh, this is the front. So the three sides of those three. The next side. Looking for a skirt. Where's the skirt? Oh, there's the skirt there. Next side. Pull that out. Oh, here's the side here. Next side. Pull that out. Now we'll just turn it around so you can see the front of it. Go in and put the roof up. So it's not too bad. It goes up fairly easy, fairly quick, and you put it down exactly the same way. And we will show you that on this trip, on this video. All I've got to do now is put my two side poles in and it's complete. So the side poles, just poles that attach together, pull apart, just like on any tent. The little pockets at the top and the bottom, you can see there. It just slips straight into the pocket and then bends up and goes into the top. And we've got a couple of little velcros here. The velcros go around and one at the bottom. And holds it all together. Also in the corners we have inside holders for temp pegs, so it pegs down on the inside. Right around the outside we've got these flaps that settle on the ground all the way around it. And what that allows you to do is put a little bit of weight on the outside there, whether it be a couple of rocks or a bit of sand, and it helps keep it in situ. Each of the three sides, now I say three sides, there's four sides obviously, but the front is the front, so the three other sides all have the fixed skeleton frame that pulls out, and all three of them have the center point that can be attached if it's windy. Not that I bought it for this reason, but there's Velcro strips on every side so that you can attach this to other tents. And it also has a Velcro strip along the top with a flap that comes down just to help with waterproofing. And that goes around the three sides. Bit of reinforcement on all the corners just to make it a little bit stronger. The corners, you can see these are the pockets that hold the skeleton frame. At the front of the tent, this one's removable. It won't collapse away with the front poles in. They're the two poles you saw me put in. So on the side, in the middle, you've got just a little soft protector, and that's more to protect you, people from scratching themselves on the center point. A little nut there that holds the outside eyelet in the tie down. Center of the screen house. So that there, that's a tie down point for a light. It's also the pull down, so when I want to pack up, that's where I pull on to start packing it up. So that's just all together now. Zips up, and there we have something that'll keep your spot when you go away, and also keep the bugs away when you're eating dinner. Now we'll see how long it takes me to pack it away. So just undo the zip completely. I'll take these two poles out, so undo the two bits of Velcro. One post out. Two posts out. Now work my way around the sides. First side, stand on the bottom, hold the top flap, push it in. Work my way around to this side, stand on the flap, hold the top, push it in. Stand on the flap at the bottom, push it in. Well, that wasn't so hard. Just got to put the two little straps around it. That's it. Ready to be packed away. That's not too bad. Don't mind that at all. Well, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about the tent. Have you used it before? Am I doing something wrong? Could I be doing something to make it quicker or easier? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for me, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Take care.